The first task after successfully installing the Kickstart package is to change the logo for your website. First, log into the administrator page with the password you entered in the installation step. From the main left menu, go to Extensions, Templates, Styles. Select NEMO template, then click Template Options button. Here, select the basic option and select Logo. Here you can change the logo you want and can see it change live on the website. Don't forget the Save button in the upper right corner when done.